Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well and staying safe. So today we're going to talk about the Jeffree star. This is the May giveaway and I've decided to run yet another mirror. This mirror is from the Bloodlust collection. It's the purple crowny one that they call it, yeah. So before I give you the terms and conditions of the giveaway, I would very much, if you wouldn't mind, like you to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach my 2,000 goal and I very much need your help in order to achieve that. On this channel we do lots and lots of different videos, lots of unboxings, everything from beauty, lifestyle, makeup, clothes, jewellery, handbags, shoes, Amazon stuff, you name it, we kind of like do it. Even the kids get involved on this channel. So all you got to do is press that subscribe button, watch a couple of videos of me, and if you don't like me, then unsubscribe. But that would make me really sad. Okay, so more details about the Jeffree Star giveaway mirror. Let me just tell you what the terms and conditions are. You should be subscribed to my channel, like the video. You should comment the words "stay safe." I don't care what else you write, but that comment has to have them words "stay safe." You should be 18 years and over. This is open to international, so anybody can enter. The winner will be announced on my community page, and the winner should email me their address, and my email can be found in all of my videos, including this one. Okay, so that's it. I'd just like to say good luck to everybody. So let me just show you quickly what you can win. So the box is just gorgeous in itself. I've tried to be very cautious in opening it because obviously I don't want to damage the box either. She says grabbing a knife. And inside is the mirror. Absolutely gorgeous. And that's it a bit closer up in case you've never seen one before. I love the colour of this, it's very different. I've got the Jeffree Star logo here. We've got a star around this side. I don't want to turn it around and blind you, but yeah, this is what's up for grabs. Now I'm aware that obviously people are still waiting for their prizes because of everything that is happening. I don't really want to be going out unnecessarily. So as soon as all this drama is over with the current situation, of course I'm going to get them posted out to you as soon as possible, and I just appreciate your patience and waiting to receive your prize. Okay, so the terms and conditions will obviously be in the description along with my email address. I wish everybody good luck and stay safe, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Mwah. Take care, bye.